Guys, good morning all. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see a topic called pay scale types in HR HCM. So now we are going to discuss a new session called pay scale type. What is pay scale type? Why it is required in configure it in HR model. Check pay scale types. In this step, you can set up your enterprise collective agreement types, pay scale types for short. The basic pay, the info type is equal to 0008 is derived from the pay scale type. By using this internal key, you can assign a fixed internal mean for evolution to optional pay scale types. Example, two collective agreement types can valid 01 permitted industry and 02 for in-house agreement. Here, pay scale types means if you have 5, 6 branches types organization, you can define them as the types like industry wise, area wise. You can define different types of your organization. You can differentiate it. Okay. Now, what are the requirements you have? Familiarize yourself with pay scale types in your valid enterprise organizational structure. So what are standards you want to see? The standard system contains some models, pay scale types. In each of system, when you configure a new system, it has got some three models of standard setting. You can use them and copy new base types as per your requirements. What are recommendation by SAP? Use model entries provided in standard system. Means you have to use initially the entries which are provided by SAP. You have to copy that and create the pay scale type as per requirement. Activities. Delete any entries which you don't require from standard system itself. And you have to do all this in development server. Production, you are not able to delete any kind of thing because you don't have any access. So what I want to do, you have to use in development server in client 100 only. Okay. Let's set up a pay scale type with the appropriate data according to your requirements. Enter a key name for pay scale types. If necessary, specify an internal key. These are the two types why we can define a pay scale types. Now, how you can achieve this? You can achieve this via SPRO, personal management, personal administration, payroll data, basic pay. Under that, you will get pay scale types. And for this, we have a table called B underscore 510A. You can do, if you have expertise in this module, instead of going to SPRO, you can directly went into table level and do the same thing because SPRO is used by initial consultant, but table level is used by expertise. Once you become expertise, you can talk to only table level. Yeah. Now, see, pay scale type is used to create a pay scale types. Example, salaries, etc. Now we will see the configuration part of this in system level. Initially, you have to enter transaction code SPRO. When you do SPRO, go down, scroll down till you find personal management. Once you put personal management, then you have to check with personal administration. Once you found personal administration, just go down, narrow down, you go to payroll data. Once you found payroll data, you have to go to basic pay. In that basic pay, you can check out with pay scale type. This is the path of SPRO. This is the standard transaction code for doing any kind of customization in development server. Now you see practically how it works in a system. This is the model pay scale type. You can define any two numeric letters for this, like 01, 02, anything, 99, 21, anything. And here you see pay scale types. As you suggested previously, developers, production, electro steel, manufacturing units, pattern. These are the types. You have to remember these types, text which are entered for this step. Now we'll do jump onto the live server and see how we can configure the same thing in a live server. Initially, as we discussed, we need to enter transaction code SPRO. Entered. Now, SAP reference IMG. Then, as we discussed, we have to scroll down slowly and steadily, and we have to check for the personal management. Once you go to personal management, then you have to check personal administration. When you go to personal administration, you have to check payroll data. Once you find the payroll data, basic pay, here you can check your pay scale types. Like now I have to create one new pay scale type. So what we have to do? We have to click on this hour scale, which will create a new entry. Take it a screen for a new entry. I just click on here. Now you see these are all old pay scale types which are created. So you can use only two characters, two letters, alphanumeric, numeric, anything. Then then I see I create one new entry for you. I just go on, click on new entry. Then I give some combination of letters which is still not used. For example, I use U and 8. Okay. Then I have to define a pay scale type. I just define them salarized employees, and I try to save this. Yes, when you found this request, it means your entry has been successfully accepted by system. Now what I do, I just go press save key. Now things get saved. Which we have created? We have created an entry called U8 for our pay scale type. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thanks all.